How did this get on everything sold at the store? Well, thousands of people were involved. This book tells the story of many of the people, including some additional people that were not in previous books. Sometimes it's happy circumstances that get you connected with a program of large impact. For me, it happened relatively low-key, and at the time, we didn't realize how much of the world this project would change. In this book, you'll read about what we knew, what we didn't know, and when we found out. But it starts out with my experiences as an IBM salesman on a large retail account, Kroger, which had more than 2,000 grocery and drugstore locations and was about to play a key role in the transformation of the retail grocery industry. The story describes the early intensive planning experience where IBM salesmen were isolated from the world for 1 to 2 weeks to work up a multi-year detailed plan for managing IBM's relationship with their large customer. The book documents how we created several marketing projects, like a company-wide systems proposal that put communicating terminals in pharmacies to write the prescription labels, collect information, enter merchandise orders, record merchandise receipts, and do the daily cash balance. We had mocked up working demonstrations on the proposed hardware, only to discover after the customer's initial order that doing all of that was really beyond what the terminal was designed for. But the demo in front of the customer worked on the actual equipment that we were told wouldn't be satisfactory long term. I guess the good, the bad, and some of the ugly is here. IBM and my marketing manager saved the effort using a product that was unannounced at the time of the initial order, but I had left for my next job in Raleigh, North Carolina. After my assignment to the Market Support Center in Raleigh, I met a new group of people, like Joe Woodland. The industry-wide checkout transformation came from ideas created in the late 1940s when Joe Woodland filed a patent to automatically identify items at the supermarket checkout, and then tested the concept in the back room of a Colonial store in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, practically all stores, large and small, scan the U.P.C. barcode. To get there, it took the formation of a Uniform Grocery Product Code Council to expand the Uniform Grocery Product Identification Code, with a funny name UGPIC, by forming a symbol selection committee and getting proposals for automated identification symbols from key electronic vendors. There were several proposals, but this proposal from IBM served as the basis of the final selection. But getting the barcode established, not just invented, is the story told in the book, Spreading the Barcode. My personal human experiences in the 1970s when I was sent to Raleigh, North Carolina to help IBM launch into the cash register business, a process that ended up changing the retail part of the world. It was mostly done in this unobtrusive single-story building on Yonkers Road, fairly hidden behind pine and magnolia trees on the east side of Raleigh, North Carolina. IBM had several hundred engineers and microcode programmers working here to create a new business, electronic cash registers. A very small, select number of those engineers were dedicated to creating the symbol that has defined retail sales since the 70s. Key among them was George Lauer, the specific engineer who created the U.P.C. symbol barcode. People in the building were mostly engineers and programmers, but down at the end was the Market Support Center. I and the 20 to 25 market support people went to work here when we were in town. This shopping transformation didn't just happen overnight. It took years to be accepted. There were many obstacles to overcome and lessons to learn. The point of writing Spreading the Barcode was to document many of those issues, recognize more of the many people involved in changing how the world shopped, and to tell some of the fun and unexpected stories that happened along the way. Like, what's up with the shiny bars on aluminum cans, and why were they created? And how this presentation accelerated scanning checkout installations and the use of the barcode symbol. It defined the partial benefits achieved at the first couple of hundred scanning stores. This expanded the range of benefits that all food chains plan for to include those information gains from the use of the new detailed checkout data. Spreading the barcode focuses on the human story of the hopes and concerns of hundreds of people in the grocery, consumer manufacturing, printing, packaging, and computer industries, which created this new way to shop, and a little bit on how it felt at the time, for them and for me. You can buy it for only $25 from Lulu.com. Go to www.lulu.com/BILLS9 to see a free short preview or to purchase it.